Hey friends, it's Shani, Certified Feline Training and Behavior Specialist with Wild at Heart, and you are not feeding your cat enough times a day. Cats should be eating at least 5 small meals a day, at least. If you can do more than that, that would be amazing.
In the wild, cats would be eating 8 to 20 small meals a day. That's 8 to 20 small little critters per day. When we want to do what's best for our cats, we need to look at what the science tells us, what their behavior tells us. And we need to mimic that as best we can in order to provide them with a species appropriate life.
Not only can feeding your cat at least 5 meals a day lend itself to weight loss, it can also prevent or stop a lot of problem behaviors. Behaviors like aggression, food aggression, cat-to-cat aggression, meowing during the day or during the night, anxiety and stress. Now those 5 meals should be mainly wet food. If you're struggling with your current schedule, I highly suggest that you invest in some auto feeders. They even make them specifically for wet food. You can also use Kongs, food puzzles, treat balls during the day when you're at work, and even overnight. As far as the amount per meal, your cat's stomach is about the size of a ping pong ball. So I would give them that amount and then check back in and see how much they ate. If they're not eating that entire amount, I would just give them a little bit less per meal. There is a certified cat behaviorist who is also a PhD. Her name is Michael Delgado. I highly recommend that you follow her on social and you also go to her website. She does a lot of her own research and she also will digest research for you and explain it to you in human terms. I was fortunate enough to take a course with Michael and I found it super informative. If you have the chance to pay for some of her courses, I highly recommend it. So friends, do your best. Try to feed your cat at least 5 times a day. We should be doing what is biologically and species appropriate for our cats. The idea that cats should be eating only 2 times a day is garbage, and they also should not be free feeding all day.